My name is Hina, and lately my heart feels like it doesn't know where it belongs. I've been married to Samir for 4 years. He's good, caring, but these days he's distant. Late nights at work, tired conversations, distracted eyes. Sometimes I look at him and wonder if he even sees me anymore. And then there's Zaid, Samir's best friend. Someone who has always been around, but never this close. It started slowly, almost too quietly to notice. A longer smile when our eyes met. A joke that seemed meant only for me. A message that came at the exact moment I was feeling low. Don't forget you light up a room without even trying. It shouldn't have mattered, but it did. Because for the first time in months, someone was paying attention to me. One evening, Samir got called into work again, and Zaid stopped by to drop something off. We sat in the living room, talking like old friends, but the air felt different. He watched me with a softness I hadn't felt in years. "Hina," he said quietly, "you deserve someone who really sees you, every day." The words landed deeper than they should have. I felt my breath catch. My heart didn't just beat, it reacted. After that night, something unspoken formed between us. He noticed every small change in me. A new hairstyle, tired eyes. Even when I forced a smile, he left notes that stayed with me longer than they should have. "Smile, it suits you more than worry." I knew the line we were walking was thin. It wasn't an affair, not really, but it also wasn't just friendship anymore. It was something in between, dangerous, warm, and painfully comforting. And yet, nothing crossed the boundary. Not because we didn't feel it, but because feeling was already enough. Days later, Samir finally asked, "You seem different, happier. Did something happen?" I hesitated. I couldn't tell him the truth, that someone else had reminded me I wasn't invisible. So I said softly, "Sometimes you just start noticing yourself again." The unspoken connection with Zaid slowly settled into friendly distance, but it left a mark, a reminder of how much it means when someone truly sees you. I wasn't in love with him, but for a moment, he reminded me what it felt like to be alive, and that feeling stayed. What do you think? Did Hina do the right thing, or was I completely wrong? Tell me your thoughts in the comments. I really want to know. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more stories like this.